Hello everybody, I am back. I took a bit of a break because we are in the process of moving and I wanted to get as many videos filmed and edited and uploaded as possible before we move. So that did necessitate a break from YouTube. The good news is that I will have tons of content coming your way over the next couple months. I hope. There isn't going to be a video every day or anything like that. It's definitely going to be like maybe 2 videos a week or something. So hopefully while we're moving, I will remember to go in and mark them as being public. Is that what it is? Public? So this layout, I hope I put the video up. If I didn't, I will make sure it goes up before this video does. I recently went through one of my travel albums and I pulled out all of the pictures, or sorry, all of the layouts that I didn't like. For whatever reason it was, I just didn't care for them. So I thought every time I look through this particular album, I don't like the layouts in here. So I'm going to change them. So this is one of those layouts. As you can see, I'm trying a different kind of adhesive. I'm trying the Gina K roller adhesive. This was the first time I had used it. I do not like it. I don't like it at all. My one tape runner, it just wouldn't work. And then I went back and I don't know if it was this adhesive or the Scrapbook.com adhesive, but one of them, it was all dried out and my pages were falling apart. So that was a problem. Definitely not something that I want to happen. So I would be cautious if you're using this adhesive or the Scrapbook.com adhesive that they may fall apart on you. It also might depend what climate you live in as well. So I filmed this layout. Oh my goodness. I remember filming it, but I don't remember when it was. It was probably in the summer because I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's probably also because that was before all of my clothing disappeared from moving and packing. So that's been a challenge. I'm still trying to find my winter clothes and I have not found all of them as of yet, but that's fine. So for this layout, I used 6x6 papers that I had from various Scrapbook.com sample kits. When you get the sample kits, you get 6x6 papers. Now, I don't think they're actual 6x6 papers. I think they're 12x12 papers that they cut into 6x6 papers. I'm not positive on that, but I think that's what it is. So on this, this star punch, I don't know if you can really tell on the video, but it embosses the stars. How do I explain this? When you punch them out, it embosses lines to the points from the center to the points. So the center pops up a bit. So to keep it popped up, you use some pop dots and it'll keep its shape. I'm using foam tape here apparently. I don't normally use foam tape for this because it's a pain to have to cut it down to a small size. But apparently this day I decided it would be fun to do that. It's fine. I don't know. Anyway. Oh. Sorry, I just got a funny feeling in my throat like I was going to cough. But then I didn't cough and now it feels even worse. But that's rambling point. So sorry. So for this layout, I'm going to use a diagonal page composition. So you'll see that I'm going to attach the stars in a diagonal line across the photos. And I think I've left it all in. So I'm pretty, you're also gonna see me ink all the edges. Oh, that's nice. I'm sorry. Like I said, I filmed this a long time ago, so I don't remember what happened when I filmed it. Oh, okay. There's the coughing. So I muted my microphone for a second so you wouldn't hear me. I would have cut this out or fast forwarded faster through it, like sped it up more, if I had remembered that I did all of this inking and the layout. I think I'm using black distress ink. That would be my guess. I don't think I would use brown with all of the blue that I have going on in this layout. I'm also taking a nod from that is a Yeoman warder or a beefeater. If you do not know, they guard the Tower of London, figuratively speaking. They are the caretakers of the Tower of London. They live within the complex and they give tours. They also wander around and answer questions and take pictures with tourists if you would like that also. So we just happened to find one of them. He was a very, very nice gentleman. And we asked if we could have our picture taken with him. And of course he said yes, because that's basically their job, is to take pictures with tourists. So I'm taking my color scheme. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I'm taking my color scheme from his uniform, which is navy and red. Very British, very patriotic. Navy and red. And then I added some yellow in because yellow, red, and blue is a very good color combination. If you don't know, those are your primary colors. And you can make all other colors from those colors. So I am going to put a title on this layout. I believe I call it Yeoman Warder. I'm not super creative when it comes to titles. Oh, I have been trying to use these adhesive wood veneer forever. Literally for forever. And I was so excited when I put some on there. I put a little Tower Bridge sticker on this layout because Tower of London is located very close to Tower Bridge. Apparently I don't like it though. I don't know why. It looked okay there. That's fine. I don't know. I should have found this layout, but I think I packed it. I packed up a whole bunch of my layouts and albums. I left out all of my supplies, but I packed up all of my albums and layouts. So, oh, I got this storage method for alphabet stickers from State Goddess, who is Sandy. On YouTube, she is State Goddess, but her name is Sandy. And she stores her thickers in bins like that. And I was like, that is brilliant, because if I put them in a drawer, I never use them and they just end up all over the place. But if I put them in a little basket, then I could just thumb through them whenever I want them. So thank you, Sandy, for that storage method. I love it. It makes my life better, and it keeps my alphas, well, mostly keeps my alphas from wandering everywhere. That being said, they are not currently in their bin because I was scrapbooking a lot lately, and I find when I scrapbook a lot, I don't necessarily put the things back because I'm making layout after layout after layout, and then I end up using the same supplies, and yeah, so take note. Put your supplies away, and then you'll use different supplies on layouts. This glue is amazing. If you have never heard of it, it's by Art Institute, I believe, and it's called Art Glitter Glue, and I use the one that dries clear. You can see it when it dries, so be careful where you get it. You can buy the little metal tips for it, or I now have mine in fine liner bottles, but my fine liner bottles aren't working the greatest. I don't know. I'm not really sure what's happened, but yeah, they just don't work the greatest. So apparently I thought about writing in white pen, but for some reason I guess I don't like it. Oh yes, I put all of my like random journaling cards in those little photo holders. They're made by Totally Tiffany and I am obsessed with them. I love them so very much. So oh goodness. Would have been so much easier if I had just figured it out before I put all the letter stickers down and everything, but I do not. And that's just how it goes sometimes when you're scrapbooking. And I'm noticing also that I maybe should have moved it down closer to the stars a little bit more. That was kind of awkward. I hope maybe I fill in the gap, but I don't think I do. Interesting. I may have to find that layout later once I've moved and my stuff is back where it belongs. And maybe see what I can do with that empty spot there. Anyways, it's a thought. So I'm not really using any specific product on this layout because I'm just kind of pulling things in from my stash and trying to just use up some stuff that I have in my collection. I'm not using a kit. I'm not using anything in particular. It's just old product. So there's some Vicky Booten on there. There's some Pink Fresh Studio is that exploring sticker. The thickers were by Chamel. The flat letters are Doodlebug. The 2 wood veneer arrows are from Close to My Heart. And the punch I've got off of Amazon. I'm not sure if it's still available, but you could just search like Star Punch and I'm sure one will come up if you find it. I'm using a Close to My Heart journaling pen here. They're okay. They're very, very similar to the precision pens that American Crafts used to make or still does make. I think I was trying to figure out how to spell something, or maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon with some more to share with you. Bye-bye.